welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while now. Just wanted to put a video out there because I'm gonna start uploading more this year. Working on the new chassis that I got behind me, because I did trade the Z for this car. I had to put cash on top of my end. You guys will see why in just a second. So the Z, I ended up hurting the motor at the end of the season. It actually snapped the cam. Snapped the intake, or the exhaust, yeah, the intake cam on the driver's side bank. It snapped it completely off and it hurt the motor. So yeah, and I still worked out a deal with the last owner of this car. This is the new chassis for hopefully a couple years. So it's a 1995 BMW M3 with a 98 S52 motor, and it's all ran by a Link G4X that's not currently there because I'm tracing some wiring issues that I've been dealing with this car. I did get this car from somebody else, so the work was already done. So it happens. I mean, I feel like it's typical things that happen when you buy somebody else's project. But it's all good. The car, I'm slowly working on it, and it's definitely getting better on the wiring side. The car did not come like this. It was all stock body and then different wheels. I ended up getting new wheels. Luckily, I bought this car like a couple weeks before Black Friday, the Black Friday deals, so ended up getting new wheels, tires obviously too, over fenders front and rear, and then a front lip as well. And then ended up finding another clear because I was missing my corner lights, so I got a corner light from Coda. And then yep, this is the whole car, you guys. The car did take a hit over here at the end of the season, pushed in the quarter, but no biggie because obviously I was going to do over fenders, and this was a clean shell at the time, and I felt really bad cutting into it, so I didn't cut into it. But now I had a reason why. So that worked out. And then this car was previously silver, as you guys can see right here. This car was silver. Last owner, Herbert, the guy that I bought it from, great guy. He actually painted the car blue. Well, he found someone, his painter, and then his painter did, I think he went beyond with the work on the roof. It's insane. If you guys can see this in person under the sunlight, it is crazy. It's my favorite part of the car. This is the reason why I actually took it home. But yeah, you guys, this car came pretty much all done, all set up. It's got the door cards, Recaro seats, matching cage with the door bar too, which is nice. Bridge moto stuff on it, steering wheel, harness, and then now your P shifter. Best shifter in the game, I would say. I had it on my Miata too. The downside of the Miata is that it vibrated a lot, but on this car, no vibration. It also has the Drift HQ handbrake, which I gotta replace. The welds right here actually snapped off. Well, the bracket snapped, so I gotta get a new one of that. And all that, don't worry about all that. I'm chasing some wiring issues that I've been having. So yeah, a lot of things just came off just by, I didn't even, like, I barely pulled on the things and they come right off. So I'm gonna redo all the wires, the boost gauge, wideband and all that, the can gauge. All those wires were pretty much all loose. It came right off, so I'm fixing that right now. There's the link right there. But yeah, this car's pretty much all done, ready to go. Originally, this car was silver. I came from Florida. So you got the clutch kickers badge right there, which is cool. That's the only two, I think I only kept 2 stickers in this car. This one, and then this one. This one's Jacob Anderson. I know him, so I was like, we'll keep that one, you know. But yeah, originally this car was Freddy. If you guys don't know Freddy, he's Adam LZ's tuner. So this car, he pretty much did a lot to, everything that you need to do to these chassis was done by him already. So it has the SLR angle kit, BC coilovers, all the rear subframe was reinforced. The diff is even reinforced too. It's got Concord motor mounts. It's got everything Concord on it, from the front all the way to the back. So this car's pretty much all done. The towers are reinforced as well. The only thing that's not reinforced is the front towers, which I gotta do because I don't know if you guys can see it. There's already a crack right there. So on both sides actually, it has a crack. So I gotta get those done. I'm for sure not drifting the beginning of the season of 2025 just to get this car running, because currently last week I kind of hurt the motor. I decided to take it out for a car wash, and instead of going straight home, I took the long way to get on it a little bit just to get a feeling, because I miss driving the car. And yeah, I actually ended up hurting the motor, and you guys will see a clip right now. As you guys can see, I hurt the motor really bad. It sounds like it's top end, maybe a stuck valve. But yeah, stuck valve still. These are interference motors, so it might have hit, the piston might hit it. We'll see. I'll tear it all apart. You guys will see that with me. But yeah, you guys, I just want to upload this video real quick. Just give you guys a, you know, what's going on for 2025 season with, especially with the new chassis. I'll walk around the new chassis real quick. So yeah, the front lip I still haven't put on. It's over there. This chrome wheels. This car I am going to paint it purple, so hopefully it doesn't crash with the blue up there. If it does, then I'll just wrap it black for now for the season. And then next year I'll try to do my own design. Obviously it's not going to be as good as this, because there's no way I can match all of this. But yeah, you guys, this is crazy. We'll see if I can try to do this. We'll see how the purple is. If it doesn't match well, which I hope it does, we'll leave it. If not, then I'll do my own design. But yeah, you guys, this is the car. Like I said, this car was clean when I first got it. Right here, I actually pushed it out already as much as I could, but Gio got a little too close. Pushed me off the track actually. So we got some damage already on the chassis right there. This will rub off for sure. I already popped the dent out, which I should have rubbed this off and then popped the dent out, because I think it's just going to pop it back in. We'll see though. This will buff out. This, not really. Chassis is damaged right here. It got pushed in. Door was pushed in here too. It's already building some rust. But no big. It's part of drifting. We'll get that fixed before paint. That is the car. Nice and simple. Tire stop right there. They hook it up here in Woodstock with tires, mounting, dismounting. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Stay tuned for the next videos coming up of me tearing this thing apart for the 5th time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.